Hi Falco, Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm making, I even don't know that name, but I went to the Turkish restaurant for the tea and I love that dish. And I'm making
Shakshuka.
shakshuka. So I'm making egg shakshuka. Amazing dish. And I'm also making my favorite cheese egg as well. My children love it. And then I'm making my own kind of tiger bread with a little bit garlic and butter sauce. So follow me. Cutting garlic, and usually I make paste in a grinder, but in this recipe I need that for the garlic bread. I mean, no garlic bread, but it's kind of tiger bread.
Garlic pastry.
Yeah. And now to the end is coriander. So just twist the coriander like that. Bell pepper, but make sure it's quite fine as chopped.
Why?
Chop a few tomato. Again, very fine slices. Green chili, fine chopped. It's optional. If you don't want to put it green chili, don't. Ingredients: I chop 4 onion, tomato paste about 2 spoon, coriander, bunch of coriander, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 small onions. This is a lot, but I'm making another dish, but I'm only gonna make 2 onion, 2 bell pepper mix, finely chopped, 2 chili, green chili, finely chopped, 5 egg, half a teaspoon black pepper, and half a teaspoon chili powder. Pour a little bit oil.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
What's that?
That's my father-in-law, Baba. He gave me that as a gift. He said, oh, this is a bit old-fashioned, but I want to give you. I said, I love it. And since then, I'm using it for my oil pot.
So it's a vintage oil thing.
Okay, so about 2 spoon oil. Not too much, just a 2 spoon oil. I'm gonna put around 2 medium-sized chopped onion. That's all. And wait for this until it's.
So can we make the shakshuka in any kind of pan, or what is it?
We can make shakshuka in. It's good to make it in non-stick, and you can make aubergine shakshuka. You can make ladyfinger shakshuka. You can make potato shakshuka. But the very famous one is aubergine shakshuka, and because I got a Turkish girl was my employee, lovely girl, and she told me that we make all kind of shakshuka and it is best. I really don't know this is Kurdish food or Turkish food. I'm a bit mixed up, but because you know my employee Hana, she was Kurdish, but she knows loads of Turkish food as well, because I don't know how. But you know, I always mix up with a Kurdish food and Turkish food. So please comment below that shakshuka is Kurdish food or Turkish food. It's a debate. My onion little bit brownie, so I'm gonna put 1 spoon chopped, finely chopped garlic.
Baby John, take home over there before we're recording.
Stir it again until garlic become a little bit browny, okay? Now top of my 2 chopped chili. And top of my bell pepper. That stage I'm gonna put a little bit salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, and half a teaspoon red chili. I'm gonna put my paste first, my tomato paste first. And now, top of that, my chopped tomatoes and tomato puree. Now cook that for good 10 to 15 minutes.
So while this is cooking, we're just going to put the lid on it and let it cook for
10 to 15
10
minutes.
to 15 minutes.
So I cut my bread like that. And I'll tell you how I roast my bread. You can eat without any toasting, but this is just a bit extra, which whatever my children like, I just use that. This is a bit hard, so I'm gonna put that in a bin. No bin, in my food, bird food tag. Okay, this is all my bread, and I'll teach you how I'm gonna make a paste for that. My tomatoes, bell peppers, all the ingredients come a little bit pasty kind of thing. Now I'm gonna make 5 whole. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I know where I'm gonna put so my first egg is going here. My second one is going here. My third one going here. And my fourth one coming here. And my fifth one coming here. Okay, another 10 minutes under the lid so the egg will cook properly. And now I'm making my cheese.
Cheese omelette.
Cheese omelette, yeah.
What are the ingredients for the cheese omelette?
So for my cheese omelette, I need 4 eggs, coriander, little bit garlic, chili powder, black pepper, cheese, tomato, oil, blend, whisk, 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 blend, whisk, whisk, whisk. Like quarter of or 2 tablespoons milk in this as well. About 2 tablespoons milk. Whisk it properly. Now I add a little bit little bit salt. Also a bit black pepper. Now I'll put all this egg in my pan. For the bread paste, I put a little bit garlic and about that much butter. So I'm gonna put a little bit salt in there. And put it in the microwave. Melt it like for 1 minute, sorry. egg is a little bit cooked, so I'm gonna put all my cheese on top. A bit of onion. Our children like onion, so I just putting onion. But if your children don't like onion, then don't. This is not for only my adult child children. This is for my younger children as well. A little bit tomatoes. They call this pizza omelette. Especially Nakia daughter. I made her once. She said, "So I like your pizza omelette." And a bit coriander. Look how beautiful is this. And now just a pinch of salt. You know, if I make it for Nafi Sumaya, then I definitely gonna put chili flakes in there. But because it's for the Amaya and them, I just paprika la, okay? And I just put a little bit salt in there. Yeah. Now turn it over. Slow fire. You know, sometimes it's hard to turn it over, so you can make it half and turn it over like that. This is my cheese. I'm gonna put it on a very low flame, and now I get ready for my tiger. I already put thing. Now I'm putting a little bit coriander. Gee.
It's okay.
And look, my shakshuka is ready. My shakshuka is ready.
Okay.
My omelette is ready.
The paste for the garlic. Look at the cheese on it.
I just put like that. So my cheese omelette is ready. My homemade garlic bread is ready, and my shakshuka is ready. So I'm gonna eat that, and please comment below that you like it or not.
Do you want to try your shakshuka?
Try with my little garlic bread. Oh my God! Look at that. Alhamdulillah.
I must say that Arabic does.